Good morning everyone. Today we study next chapter the earth. We live on the planet earth. A planet is a heavenly body. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Now we study this chapter from some main points. First point is the shape of the earth. Earth is only planet in our solar system known to have life. It is spherical in shape. This means it is round like an orange but slightly flat at the top and the bottom. The flat area on the top is called North Pole. The flat area at the bottom is called South Pole. Many years ago, people thought that Earth is the center of the universe and that is flat. An astronomer, Copernicus, proved that the sun is the center of the universe. An explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, made a long sea voyage. He started from Spain and returned to Spain after 3 years. Thus, he proved that the earth is round. Next point is land, water and air. There is more water than land on earth. 2/3 of earth's surface is covered by water and 1/3 by land. Therefore, we call the earth a watery planet or a blue planet. Humans, animals and plants live on the earth. They use the land and water. They breathe the air. Air, water and temperature are essential for life on earth. The layer of air that surrounds earth is called the atmosphere. Next point, globe and map. As the earth is very big in size and round in shape, we cannot see the land and water on earth at one time. We can use a model of the earth called globe to study the planet. A globe can rotate. We can see continents and ocean on a globe. What are these? Continents are large masses of land. Ocean are large masses of water. We cannot carry a globe with us and cannot see the earth as a whole. So we use a map. We can carry a map everywhere and see the whole earth on it. Next point, continent. There are 7 continents on the earth. First, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Europe. Sixth, Australia. And seventh, Antarctica. Next point is ocean. There are 5 oceans on the earth. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Next point is direction. Can we find India on a map? In which continent is India located? Yes, this is in South Asia. What is south? South is direction. There are 4 directions: north, south, east and west. The top of the map is north and bottom is south. The left side is east and the right side is west. The compass rose made on a map show you the north. Its needle always point the north. Earth's movement. Earth spins like a top on the imaginary line called axis. This movement is called rotation. It goes around the sun at the same time. This movement is called revolution. Now, rotation of the earth. Rotation takes 24 hours or 1 day for the earth to spin around the once on its axis. Rotation causes day and night. The part of the earth that faces the sun gets light and has daytime. The part that does not face the sun becomes dark and has night time. Revolution of the earth. Earth takes around a year, 365 1/4 day, to orbit the sun. This causes seasons. spring, summer, autumn, and winter. All the planets move around the sun on a fixed path called orbit. Thank you.